Well guys, I was going to make a video for you guys, but it's kind of hard doing all this by myself. So what I found out, there's a starter right there. Easiest way if you're going to replace this is take it out like this, because you're not taking it out otherwise. But the starter isn't getting power from the relay, so the relay is bad, even if it clicks. And the starter is also bad. Probably both went out at the same time. You can hear the grinding and all that. It's just not a healthy starter. So while I'm doing it, might as well replace it. I'll close it when I... Sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. Right, I was talking about the noise this makes. I was going down the road, like I said in the first video. It's been bypassed. This has been bypassed. I didn't do that. The previous owner did it. And it's right here. Whatever, it works. But it sounded like I was dragging the chain. Now, I put the jump box, I disconnected this, put the jump box on this, the starter wire, and it turned so this wire isn't getting power through this relay. It's really the only thing it can be, because it's a direct source. But when I got this spinning, it was grinding and it just sounded awful, like not a healthy starter. Might as well go ahead and replace it. It's not expensive, it's like $86. But hopefully that works. If you guys have any issues or anything, just let me know, because I'm probably gonna run into them on this bike anyways. My radiator's rough as shit. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I'll make a video on how to do that. I had to replace my wiring harness. There's the old one. I don't know why they did that, but that was causing all sorts of issues. But that's just plug and play. Issue I had with this is my headlights were going out. My headlights were going out, and what was happening is that wire was touching the fork, grounding itself out, blowing the, what is that, a 20-watt fuse? Yeah, it was blowing this fuse right here. So, if your headlights keep blowing out, it could be one of these guys right here, just touching. I don't know where they would be on the bike with fairings. I mean, I have fairings for this bike, but it's a long story. Anyways, let me know if you guys need anything, and I'll see if I can't help you guys.